We have received this question from Chittagong, Huzur. The questioner wants to know, Huzur, what is the difference between Ummah and Qaum?
Qaum is a much wider word, and it applies to so many things. I mean, nations and races, and also the people whom a prophet addresses, whether they believe it or not, they're called still Qaum. There's Qaum al-Kafirin, Qaum al-Mu'minin, and this and that, Qaum al-Muslimin. So it's a much wider word. Ummah is generally applicable to those people who follow a prophet. But sometimes Ummah is also applicable to such people who oppose a prophet as a whole. But still, its usage is much more limited than that of the Qaum. Right?